Guys, welcome to Easy French. My name is Sangita. Today we'll be doing lesson number 11. So this is about when you are confused that what to choose between qui est-ce and qu'est-ce que c'est. There are two questions, qui est-ce and qu'est-ce que c'est. So we are going to learn about qui est-ce and qu'est-ce que c'est and how to use it. There are some examples at the end of the lesson, so please watch the video till the end. So now qu'est-ce que c'est? The question is, qu'est-ce que c'est? Now, I've written the pronunciation in English as well as in Hindi. So, this question means, what is this or what are these? Means in singular as well as in plural, you are going to use the same question, qu'est-ce que c'est? Means, what is this? Okay? So, if we translate it into Hindi, the question hota hai, ये क्या है? ये क्या है? Okay. So now let's see. So guys, when we are talking about objects or animals, we use the question qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay. For any type of animals, if we are talking about animals, then we use qu'est-ce que c'est. When we are talking about objects, any object, so we use the question qu'est-ce que c'est, means what is this or what is it? Okay. So now the question is qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Now you know that this is a house and you know that it is feminine in French. So you are going to say c'est une maison, c'est une maison. This is a house or it is a house. Now you have to put an article in front of all nouns. This we have seen when we were doing our articles, both definite and indefinite. The links are there in the description box. In case if you have missed, do have a look. Okay. Now next example. Now this is again qu'est-ce que c'est in singular form. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this or what is it? So this is a pen. Now pen is masculine. So you are going to say c'est un stylo. C'est un stylo means this is a pen or it is a pen, and indefinite article un means masculine, right? Now we take an example with plural. Now my object is plural, many books. So we know books is livre. We say livre for book. Now, which article are you going to use? If you are going to use a definite article or indefinite article, both will be in plural. Okay, so they is a plural indefinite article, right? Your verb être will change to sont. Instead of a, c'est un, now this will become ce sont des livres. And livre, you have to put a s to make it plural. Okay, so ce sont des livres means these are some books. Clear? So the question is going to remain the same for plural as well. This is important over here. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ce sont des livres. Clear? We'll see one more example. Now again, qu'est-ce que c'est? Now these are some pens. Again plural. So you will say ce sont des stylos. Ce sont des stylos. Clear? Now we'll see the other question. Qui est-ce? Question is qui est-ce? And guys, before starting this, small request, please like the video, please subscribe the video, and please share my video so many students can benefit from it. Okay, thank you for that. And now, so qui est-ce? How we are going to read it as qui est-ce? So let's see how we use it. So when we want to talk about people, to find out about people, living human beings, then we use the question qui est-ce? In Hindi, ye kaun hai? Kaun hai automatically tells you that we are talking about some person. So qui est-ce is who is this or who are these? Again, singular, plural, same question. Clear? Now, my question is, who is this? Qui est-ce? Ye kaun hai? So, c'est un médecin. C'est un médecin. It's a doctor or he is a doctor. Clear? Now, one more question. Qui est-ce? Who is this or who is he? So, who is he? He is Napoleon Bonaparte. In English, we know. So, in French, you'll say, c'est Napoléon. C'est Napoleon. C'est Napoleon. You know that we do not write an article in front of proper nouns. This I have already explained when we were doing our definite articles and indefinite articles. That article is not written when we are talking about some specific person in front of proper nouns. We do not use an article, right? This is clear. So, qui est-ce? C'est Napoleon. Okay. Now, qui est-ce? Again, now this is a plural. Who are these? So, these are engineers or they are engineers. So, you are going to say, ce sont des ingénieurs. Ce sont des ingénieurs. This S is going to be pronounced because this word is starting with a vowel. Okay. So, ce sont des ingénieurs. Okay. So guys, please request that do watch the video till the end and please do hit the like button and let's start. So now again these are plural. So they are students. So qui est-ce? Who are these or who are they? So you are going to say ce sont des étudiants. Again des, why? Because étudiant is starting with a vowel. So we are going to pronounce this S. So we are going to say ce sont des étudiants. Okay. Now, in short, qu'est-ce que c'est is used for things and qui est-ce is used for people. Now, we'll see some examples. I have given some homework for you all. So just have a look. So friends, आपको अगर ये वीडियो रियली हेल्पफुल लगता है और अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज लाइक का बटन हिट करें, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करें. थैंक यू सो मच and let's finish. So this I have written some answers. Now you have to choose between qu'est-ce que c'est and qui est-ce and then you have to write the question. So this is a exercise for you all to do it on your own. Okay. So now you can see this is a bicycle. So the answer is set a vélo. Set a vélo. Second is ce sont des professeurs. Ce sont des professeurs. Next is chaises. So ce sont des chaises. Ce sont des chaises. And this is a person. So you are going to say Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. This is French pronunciation, but in this we can very well say Mahatma Gandhi. Say Mahatma Gandhi. Now, before ending the lesson, again, please a small request. Please do hit the like button and do share and subscribe. Thank you. And let's finish. So the answers I have already given. Now, actually, the question is the answer for you right now. So the question to the first answer, set the vélo will be qu'est-ce que c'est because it's a object, right? Qui est-ce? Ce sont des professeurs. Again, for people, we are going to write qui est-ce? Ce sont des chaises. Again, object. So question will be qu'est-ce que c'est? And say Mahatma Gandhi. So qui est-ce? Say Mahatma Gandhi. So qui est-ce? Because he's a person and you are not going to write a article, any article in front of Mahatma. Okay. So I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like and please subscribe. Thank you.